Hello and welcome. Let's talk about something that affects each and every one of us, energy. Our energy fields are constantly interacting with the world around us, absorbing, releasing, and sometimes holding on to things that no longer serve us. It's natural for energy to get blocked over time, whether through stress, negative thoughts, or unhealed emotions. But the good news is you have the power to clear those blockages and restore balance to your energy field. When we think about blocked energy, we often think of it in terms of physical ailments or mental struggles. You might feel drained, overwhelmed, or stuck in a pattern you can't seem to break. But the truth is, all of this stems from an imbalance in your energy. When our energy flow is interrupted, it manifests in various ways in our lives. Perhaps you're finding it difficult to move forward in a relationship, in your career, or in your personal growth. These blockages can hold us back in ways we might not even realize. So, how do we clear those blockages? The first step is becoming aware of them. It's like taking a moment to stop and listen to your body, your thoughts, and your emotions. You might feel tension in certain areas, your shoulders, your neck, your stomach. These physical sensations are often clues that something is out of balance. Pay attention to these signs. Once you've identified where the blockages might be, you can begin to clear them. One of the simplest ways to clear blocked energy is through breath. Our breath is powerful. It's always with us. And when we bring our attention to it, we can use it to shift the energy within us. Try this right now. Take a deep, slow breath in, hold it for a moment, and then exhale gently. Do this a few times, focusing on each breath as it enters and leaves your body. As you breathe, visualize the energy in your body becoming clearer, flowing more freely. Another powerful tool for clearing energy is visualization. Imagine a bright light at the top of your head radiating down through your entire body. With each breath, this light moves through you, dissolving any blocks along the way. See the light expanding, clearing away anything that is no longer serving you. This practice can be done anytime you feel off balance or disconnected, but clearing energy isn't just about releasing what's negative. It's also about inviting new positive energy into your life. One way to do this is through affirmations. By repeating positive statements to yourself, you open the door for new energy to enter. For example, you might say, "I am open to receiving love, abundance, and peace." These words can help shift your energy and bring balance back to your life. It's also important to note that our emotions are directly tied to our energy. If we hold on to anger, resentment, or fear, we create blockages in our energy field. Releasing these emotions is a vital part of balancing your energy. It's okay to feel these emotions, but it's also important to let them go. You can do this through journaling, talking with a trusted friend, or simply allowing yourself to feel and then release the emotion. Another helpful practice is grounding. Grounding connects us with the Earth's energy, helping to balance and center our own. You can ground yourself by standing barefoot on the earth, whether it's grass, dirt, or sand. Feel the earth beneath you and imagine roots growing from your feet deep into the ground. This helps you reconnect with your energy and release any negative or stagnant energy you may be carrying. When we talk about balancing energy, it's also important to acknowledge the power of self-care. Taking care of your body, mind, and spirit is key to maintaining balance. This means getting enough rest, eating nourishing foods, engaging in activities that bring you joy, and surrounding yourself with people who uplift and support you. When you take care of yourself, your energy becomes more aligned, and you'll naturally feel more balanced. Chakra healing is another method of balancing energy that many find helpful. Our bodies have energy centers called chakras, and when these chakras are blocked or unbalanced, it can affect our overall well-being. Each chakra is associated with different aspects of our lives, such as our relationships, our creativity, our sense of safety, and our personal power. By practicing chakra healing, you can bring these energy centers back into alignment. You can do this through meditation, using healing crystals, or simply focusing on each chakra while visualizing it becoming balanced and open. One of the most profound ways to balance energy is through love. Love for yourself and for others. Love is the highest form of energy, and when you allow yourself to experience love, it has a profound impact on your energy field. Self-love is especially important. When you love yourself, you create a strong foundation for balance in all areas of your life. This means being kind to yourself, forgiving yourself, and allowing yourself to be your true, authentic self. Letting go of the past is another key aspect of energy balancing. Many times we hold on to past wounds, regrets, and memories that weigh us down. These emotional burdens create blockages in our energy. When you release the past, you create space for new energy to flow freely. This might involve forgiving others, forgiving yourself, or simply acknowledging that the past is behind you and no longer has power over you. Energy is something that influences every aspect of our lives, from the way we think and feel to how we interact with others and the world around us. When you take the time to balance and clear your energy, you open yourself to experiencing life with more peace, clarity, and vitality. But sometimes life gets busy, and we forget the importance of maintaining this balance. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, the noise, and the stresses of daily life. The result is a feeling of exhaustion or unease, which can often be traced back to an imbalance in our energy field. It's essential to understand that clearing your energy is not a one-time thing. It is an ongoing process that requires attention and care. Think of it as cleaning your house. You can't just clean it once and expect it to stay clean forever. You need to keep coming back to it, tidying up, dusting off what no longer serves you, and making space for new and positive energy to flow in. It's the same with your energy field. The more consistent you are with practices that clear and balance your energy, the more naturally it becomes a part of your life. One powerful method of balancing energy is by reconnecting with nature. Nature has an innate ability to restore and realign our energy. If you've ever spent time outdoors, whether hiking in the mountains, walking on the beach, or simply sitting in a garden, you've likely felt the calming, grounding effect it has on you. Nature acts as a mirror, reflecting the natural flow of energy, helping us to realign our own energy field. If you're feeling disconnected or out of balance, spending more time in nature can help restore harmony. Simply being in the presence of trees, flowers, and open skies allows your energy to synchronize with the Earth's natural rhythms. You may notice that after spending time outside, you feel more centered, clear-headed, and recharged. This connection with nature is a gentle reminder that we are all part of a larger, interconnected world, and we can draw strength from it. Now let's talk about the power of gratitude. Gratitude is a practice that shifts our focus from what we don't have to what we do have. It opens up our energy field to receive more abundance and joy. When you make gratitude a regular part of your life, it can transform your energy. You might want to start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act can create a shift in your energy and help you maintain balance throughout the day. Energy is also affected by the people we surround ourselves with. Negative energy from others can drain us and create blockages. Pay attention to the people in your life. Are they uplifting you or bringing you down? You have the power to choose who you spend time with. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you, and distance yourself from those who drain your energy. And sometimes clearing and balancing your energy takes time. Be patient with yourself. It's a process, and every step you take brings you closer to a more balanced and harmonious energy field. Trust that you have the power to heal yourself and restore balance whenever you need to. In conclusion, clearing blocked energy and balancing your energy field is a deeply personal and transformative practice. By becoming aware of where your energy is blocked, using techniques like breath work, visualization, and affirmations, and thinking of practices like self-care, chakra healing, and gratitude, you can create a life that feels more aligned and balanced. Your energy is yours to control. You have the power to heal, release, and invite new energy into your life whenever you choose.